Hello, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add like gorilla tag to a gorilla tag fan game. So basically what I mean is, like, you know how like there's like a parrot fur in there, like kind of like that, where it's like 3D, all that. So what you want to do is you want to go to my Discord link, will be in the description. Just copy and paste it. You want to download this. Hold up. Okay, now after you do that, you want to download it and put it into your game. I click import package, custom package. And then once you have it in, go to your shop system. So like this, make a new one like that. You copy it, just basically anything like what you would do if you're making a new shop item. So now what you want to do is you want to go to it, you want to change the name to where you want it to be, and then you're going to copy the name. You're going to put the coins price, that and that, whatever the hell. Now what you want to do is go to resources, start on VR player. You're gonna what you want to do is you want to go to your model, you want to go to cube, you're going to Control C, Control V, and make a copy of it, and then just drag it to head. And now what you want to do with this is you have this. So now put the script on it, just search it up, like that. Let me take all of this off so you know what to do. So for my view, you make that the player. The new fur, you want to go to this. Go to Control by Goofy Brian. Go to that. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to put on whatever fur you want. So if you want to put on this one, you could change that. And then put the moving one on if you want that. Now just drag the moving one onto that. And now go to your materials where you have your other one. The normal one, you're going to drag it onto that. And then play objects, you're going to click this plus, click the cube, and then done. Also, if you want to make new materials, just go to it, copy whatever one it is, and then put it on there. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh no. Hold up. 2D, right? Oh. I just want to try something. Oh, no, not gonna work. Okay, whatever. Once you're done with that, to make a new one, if you want to do a moving one, just want to copy it and then put whatever texture you want on all of these. It could be anything. It could be cheese, poop, whatever you want. And then just do the same exact thing. Put it in head, turn it off, copy the name. And like I said, paste the name into all of that. And on your enable button, paste that, and then paste that, whatever you want, whatever you have to do to make it enable and all that. So that's basically it. If you want any more tutorials, just go tell me in the comments on what you want next. So yeah, peace.